Hello students, let's read the question. The question says denaturation of protein disrupts the primary and secondary or tertiary structure of protein. ठीक है? Disrupts the secondary and tertiary structure only. Disrupts all the primary, secondary and tertiary and even the quaternary structure of protein. Will not affect the original biological activity. Is always irreversible. ठीक है बच्चों? So let's do the question. बच्चों all the native proteins, ठीक है, all the native proteins has some specific biological activity, ठीक है, has some specific biological activity, ठीक है, and if they are subjected to change, the native proteins are subjected to change in temperature, that is a physical change, ठीक है, change in temperature or change in pH, that is a chemical change. When the native proteins are subjected to change in temperature or pH, there is a disruption of secondary and tertiary structure. ठीक है, secondary and tertiary structure are disrupts. ठीक है, सो बच्चों यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर ही क्यों डिस्टर्ब होता है? बिकॉज ड्यू टू द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर एंड पीएच इट अफेक्ट्स ओनली द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, ठीक है, एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज द मेन ड्राइविंग force or driving force of interaction for the secondary and tertiary structure of the proteins. So because hydrogen bondings are affected, therefore secondary and tertiary structures are only disrupts. It does not affect the primary structure. Primary structure is not affected. And primary structure क्या होता है बच्चों? Primary structure is the sequence of amino acid. Protein में the sequence of amino acid is called the primary structure. ठीक है, therefore it is not affected, which is formed by peptide bond. ठीक है, this is formed by peptide bond and peptide bond is not affected by temperature or pH, and this whole process is called denaturation. ठीक है, this is called denaturation, and by this process the native protein loses its biological activity. ठीक है बच्चों, loses its biological activity. Now one more point, that by the denaturation, ठीक है, because the hydrogen bonding are disrupts and the secondary and tertiary structure are disrupts, but the primary structure is intact, है ना, primary structure क्या है, it is still intact. So if you remove the disrupting cause like the change in temperature or change in pH, whatever reason, if you remove that, then the uh, पेप्टाइड चेन कैन गेट अगेन फोल्डेड और वो फिर से फोल्ड होके सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर को गेन कर सकते हैं. देयरफॉर इट इज ए रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. ठीक है, इट इज ए रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, इट इज नॉट irreversible because the intactness of the primary structure disrupt नहीं होने की वजह से we can get back the amino acid, get back the protein by just removing the cause of denaturation. ठीक है बच्चों, so that process is called renaturation. ठीक है, renaturation. So बच्चों it is not reversible, it is not irreversible, it is reversible process. ठीक है बच्चों, तो यहाँ पे according to this theory the correct answer is it disrupts only the secondary and tertiary structure. The correct option is B. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.